My Hometown, Haro, Iloilo City by Godwin M. Boreros. History of Haro. Haro, originally named Salog or Saro, it was also referred to as Ilaya or Mountain Dry Land, together with La Paz, which was referred to as Ilawod or Sea Wetland. It had been one of the richer areas of Iloilo City, even during the Spanish colonial period in 1521 to 1898, and probably the richest town of the entire colony. Haro was founded as a Spanish colonial parish in 1587, originally known as Salog or Saro, and evolved into a major economic hub. It was officially declared a city in 1821 before being incorporated in Iloilo City in 1941, becoming a district known as for its wealthy mestizo or Shogal culture and religious history. Significant people and local heroes. Graciano Lopez Haina, Philippine national hero, orator, writer, and protagonist who is well known in publishing the La Solidaridad. Fernando Lopez, former Vice President of the Philippines and brother of Eugenio Lopez. Geography. Status. First class. Haro is a district within Iloilo City which is classified as a first class, highly urbanized city. Land area. The district of Haro in Iloilo City spans a total land area of 27.48 square kilometers or 10.61 square mile, making it the largest of the 7 districts in the city. Location: northern central part of Iloilo City, serving as a gateway of Central Iloilo Province. Population: the district of Haro, Iloilo City, Philippines has a population of 136,274 as of the 2024 census. Topography: the topography of the Haro, Iloilo City is characterized as a generally flat and low-lying plain. As the city's largest district, it serves as a natural catch basin for water flowing from the land mountains toward the sea. Flora and fauna. Haro, the largest district in Iloilo City, features a mix of urban flora and fauna shaped by its flat alluvial plains, river systems, and dedicated green spaces. The district biodiversity is a blend of native tropical species and ornamental plants, typical of a historic residential and commercial hub. Economic class, first class city. Primary livelihood. The primary livelihood in Haro, Iloilo City is centered on commerce, trade, and services driven by its reputation as a bustling commercial hub with major markets like the Haro Public Market. Ethics minorities. Haro, a prominent district in Iloilo City, is historically characterized by its mixed heritage rather than a singular ethnic minority enclave, serving as a hub for both elite Spanish, Filipino, mestizos, and indigenous inhabitants. Fiesta Candelaria, Haro Fiesta, February 2. This is the largest religious fiesta in Haro, held annually in honor of Nuestra Señora de la Candelaria, Our Lady of the Candles, the patroness of Haro District and Western Visayas. Traditions. Festivals. The Dinagyang Festival is the premier event characterized by sadsad, dancing, chanting, to honor the Santo Niño, showcasing Ilonggo unity and devotion. Infrastructure and tourist site. Haro Metropolitan Cathedral, National Shrine of Our Lady of the Candles, founded in 1587. The present structure, 1874, is a Romanesque revival church known for the miraculous growing image of the Virgin Mary on its facade. Haro Plaza, known as a cultural heritage zone, this park features a statue of Haro-born hero Graciano Lopez Haina. What makes Haro different? Haro, the largest district in Iloilo City, distinguished by its deep-rooted religious history, unique architectural landmarks, and rapid, modern economic growth, known as the Seat of Faith in Western Visayas. It is famous for the Haro Cathedral, with its all-male saint, excluding the Virgin Mary, and the historical Haro Belfry.